Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. If you're looking to find your API key in GetResponse, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, so let us get into it. The first thing you want to do is go up to Tools on the top left-hand side, and you are going to navigate all the way down to the bottom. You will see a menu item called Integrations and API. Now, once you actually have this page loaded, you can see over here that you have your integrations by GetResponse, and as you travel over on the toolbar at the top, you will see API. Now you're going to click on that. Now once you click on that, over here you will allow applications to access your account. So what we're going to do here is tap on Generate API Key. You can now name this key. We're going to just go ahead and name it key 101, and over here you can see now that we have a key 101, and we can now copy this API key. It is now copied, and you can use it in the appropriate apps. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.